What's up you guys, it's Brandon from Blaze Tech, and in today's video we're going to be doing a unboxing of the Logitech G502 wireless gaming mouse. Now I'm going to show you why I bought this, and pretty much I do have a reason. I don't like wasting money, but no, other than that I'll show you why I got it, as well as we're going to unbox it, see how it is, and see what I do and don't like about it. But other than that, and smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also tap the notification bell to know when my next video is live available, and check out my socials to follow me in my, I guess, live. I have Twitter, Instagram and Twitch, links on screen as well as down below, but we'll show you. So here we have the Logitech G502 wireless gaming mouse. Now the reason I bought this is because this is my Razer Naga Hex version 2, and I've had this for about 3 years, and unfortunately the scroll wheel doesn't work anymore, and if you click it doesn't work, if you scroll sometimes it just doesn't want to work, and that's pretty much why I'm getting this mouse, because this one just felt like dying and it's like, oh, out of warranty, time to buy a new mouse. So a couple reasons why I like this. One, I hope this is a really good mouse. Two, it's wireless, and I've always wanted a wireless mouse. I've just never had the reason to buy one when I have had this one for so long. But now, since it's broken, unfortunately, I have enough of a reason to convince myself to buy the Logitech G502. And I hear it's very good, it's very responsive, and it's wireless, which is pretty cool. And if we look on the box, as you can see, light speed, it's got Hero, whatever that is, power play, light sync, weights. It's got weights for it, which is cool. I don't like my weights that heavy, so I'll probably just stick with the standard weight of whatever that is. And here we got like technical specifications, we got tracking, we got responsiveness, we got battery life. It's pretty good, 48 hours battery life. But no, other than that, we got 100 to 1600 DPI, which is good. I'll probably end up just using, I believe, 1800, because that's what I've always used and that's what I'm comfortable with. So if we flip to the back, play advanced, I guess these are over magnets and weights that you can attach to the mouse. You got light speed down here, you got Hero, that's DPI sensor. So light speed wireless technology, which is cool. And you got tune the weight and balance to preferences for 2 kg weights and 2 4 kg weights. Cool. 11 programmable buttons. Put commands and macros at your fingertips. The hyper scroll fast wheel lets you flip through pages while browsing. I'll use that on my Facebook, I suppose. And that side, nothing. This side, just the mouse. And I've already shown you this side. So we will unbox it. So it just simply slides off like so. There's nothing. Oh, there's a, what is that? What is that? That's nothing. That's just padding. That's not special. Now, I'm not gonna take it out yet, but that feels good for my hand. I have small hands. If we take the mouse out and just compare the two mouses for a second. Be careful of knives. If you have knives, protect yourself. Right, comparing the sizes, I'd say the Logitech is a little bit bigger. As for actually putting it in my hand, I have a lot of wiggle room on my pinky. Here, I have a fair bit of room on my pinky. The rest on my thumb actually feels very good. And as for weight, what would I say? Yeah, I'd definitely say the Razer Naga Hex version 2 is heavier. I mean lighter, sorry, and the Logitech G502 is heavier, but it's a good heavy. It's not absurdly heavy like I was worried about. But as for the scroller wheel, I like this one. This is more of a, I'd say stiff. I don't know the exact term for it, but it's more stiff. But I do like the feel of it. Now as for the clicking, I prefer the sound of the Razer, but as for the clicking, it's okay for the Logic. It's not bad, it's just something I probably have to get used to over time. The reason I didn't like this mouse is because I always play card, right? So as you can see, I use my buttons like 1, 2, 3, 4 to always change my buttons for like primary gun, secondary gun, or whatever. But the way I play is I always play like this, or I play like that. So my point of my thumb rests on the grip. So all the time when I'm playing, I'd be playing, and then I'd accidentally like bump for 1 or 2 and it'd swap my guns, and there was no way for me to find how to disable it, and it was just becoming a real pain. So I love this mouse, but God, you're annoying sometimes. But with this, I can't, like, I can't accidentally bump stuff, which is cool. So what else is actually in the box? So, nothing. You have a manual, that's cool. We have a, what's this? A cable. I don't know why I suggested really hard. This is your standard USB 3.0 to your, I believe they call this a micro USB mail. Correct me in the comments if I am wrong. I'm not good with my USB names. And this is lovely braided cable. It's the same braided cable that comes with the Razer mouse as well. So I like this cable, it's durable, it feels good. And yeah, no, it's good. So what is this little thing? It's openable. I'm gonna open it. Is there anything else here? No. I'm gonna see what this thing is. I see now, it's actually pretty cool. This is the little dongle you get to do, what do you call it? Do wirelessly. So, I'll show you that in a moment. These here are your little weight units. So, unfortunately the camera doesn't pick it up too well. But you have two grams. So, 2 grams here, 2 grams here. Moving over, you have 2 grams, 2 grams. 4 grams of 4 grams. I'm not going to use them personally, but I just want to see how they pop on. And you got this, which is detachable. I'm going to use 2 hands. So pretty much you just get the cable and you'd attach it to the adapter, and you would attach the adapter. Actually, I don't know where you attach the adapter. Correct me in the chat, guys. I don't know what this adapter is for now. Help me. But anyway, this is a little Bluetooth dongle yet, so small Logitech logo. And good thing is this comes with 2 years warranty. Thank you, manufacturers. Now, no, I've read through this, nothing special in here. I've also read through this, nothing so special in here. As for the weights, we're gonna do the weights. Alright, so I just finished reading the instructions and it's pretty cool. So if you move this aside and you flip this over, you've got this little compartment here. If you press down and grab the other end, if it's gonna work with one hand, that'd be cool. I need 2 hands. So as you can see, it just pops out and you can put your USB dongle right in here. So it will show something like this. So it would look like this, and I assume this is if you want to travel or something, or if you don't want to like use it, you can just store it somewhere. But you just simply get the cap that you took off, and it's magnetic, so it just slots back on. So that's cool. Don't do that with your mouse. But here, this part also comes off. And this is where you would put all your magnets. So I'm gonna put a few in and see if I feel or don't feel like a difference. So as you can see, I've put in all 4 2-kilogram magnets in, and we'll close it up and have a feel. So pretty much instantly I can tell the difference. This is probably too heavy for me personally, but some people may like it. You have 4 2-gram weights, so you can take a few out. Actually, no, I'm gonna use this for a day. If I don't like it, I'll swap it out. And as you can see, I have 2 4-gram if available if I want them. Now, as for actually setting up, we'll do that. So currently, I am installing the Logitech drivers, and I've just wired it up, connected it directly to my keyboard. Now, as you can see, we have 3 LED lights flashing. That means it's currently charging, and when it's fully charged, I'm sure it'd be a solid color, whether that be blue or green, but we'll find out soon. So currently I have it wirelessly, and if we press the power button, which is the top one, actually the DPI button, and what I've done is I've turned it on here, so I can't do it with one hand. That is currently off. As you can see, it's red. On, and if I move my mouse, where's my mouse? There it is. As you can see, my mouse is moving. Now what I've done is I've installed the program. So if we click on Logitech G Hub, we can currently see that my mouse is at 55%. So if we come back to my computer, this is the cable that came with the mouse, and I have the micro USB cable plugged into the adapter, which is plugged into the dongle. So if your mouse actually starts to go flat, what you can do, you can detach it from here, and as you can see, Logitech G Hub won't detect it. And if we come here and plug it directly into our mouse, this will happen. Now it only goes one way, which is good. So it means you can't really make mistakes. And you can hear it click in. And if you come back to your Logitech software, you can see that is currently 55% and it is charging. And once you are done, what you can do is you can simply unplug it and plug it back into the dongle. Now as for DPI, this is what I did. So if we just click on Logitech G502, so if we come to the Logitech software and we come down to the sensitivity or the DPI, I just moved mine to 1800 because for me this is my sweet spot. Your sweet spot may be different. It might be higher, might be lower, you might need to change it in game. It just really depends how you want it. But I'm just happy with it sitting at 1800 because that's what I've always been comfortable with. So yeah, that's pretty much of a wireless gaming mouse. It's pretty dope. What I'm probably gonna do is I'm gonna come back in maybe 1 month, tell you my thoughts on it, if I do like it, if I don't like it. I'll also mess around with the weight, see what I do and don't like, but yeah, no. Other than that, this is Brandon from BlazeTech. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. And remember, I'm doing 3 videos a week, or trying my best at least. But other than that, remember to subscribe to the channel and like the video for the YouTube algorithm. And check out my socials. I have Twitter, Twitch, and Instagram. Links up here as well as in the bio. Other than that, have a good weekend and Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. Bye.